Today, I'm going to show you how to use the front windshield washer in a Kia Sportage. It's a simple process, but is essential for maintaining clear visibility while driving. First, locate the windshield wiper stalk on the side of your steering column. This stalk controls various functions related to your windshield, wipers, and washers. To activate the front windshield washer, pull the lever gently toward you and hold it in place. It will first start spraying washer fluid on the windshield, and then the wipers activate. As you can see, the washer fluid is effectively cleaning the windshield, removing any dirt, grime, or debris that may obstruct your view. The spray and wiper operation will continue until you release the lever. Once you have used the washer, be sure to activate the windshield wipers to clear away any excess fluid and achieve a streak-free finish. Remember, if your washer doesn't work, the most likely issue is that the washer fluid reservoir is empty. In that case, simply refill the reservoir and you're good to go. Pop the hood of your Sportage and locate the washer fluid reservoir. It's a plastic container with a blue cap and it's labeled with a windshield washer symbol. Lift up the blue cap and carefully pour the washer fluid into the reservoir until it's close to the top. Check your washer fluid regularly, especially before long trips. Thanks for watching and subscribe to WheelsJoin for more car tips.